Hello guys, how can you change the stage light effect in Photoshop? First of all, unlock your main image layer. Go to Adjustment Layer, Levels. Adjust the levels slightly. Set the value around 1.31 or as needed. Now go to Selection tool and select the polygonal lasso tool. Start drawing selections in the areas where you want to add the stage light effect. Hold the Shift key and keep adding more selections. Make sure you hold Shift the entire time to add multiple areas together. Once the selection is complete, go to Adjustment Layer, Levels again. Adjust the level point around 120 until it looks natural and bright. Now go to Select, Modify, Feather. Set the feather around 4.3 px and press OK. That's it. This is the before and after result. That's how you can add the stage light effect in Photoshop.